Hello everyone, my name's Anthony. Thank you very much for watching, and today's videos can be a little different than my usual vlogs. Today I'm just going to show you my truck camper build. So let's jump right into this. Okay, so the first thing we should talk about is the pickup truck itself and the canopy that's installed on it. So it is a 2022 F-150 XLT, 6.5 foot box. I got the canopy installed a few months after I picked it up, so it's not factory. I got it installed locally. Not really much to tell you about the canopy, except that I went with carpet on the ceiling and on the sides, just to help with condensation. I do just have a quick power outlet here for some things, but I ordered it with slide out windows. Now, what I thought that meant was that I could actually slide the windows back and forth with the screen to keep the bugs out, to let some fresh air in. But I guess slide out means that they pop open, which is great when you need to access stuff in here, but it has to be closed at night all the time. I would love to be able to slide it open, let some fresh air come through the screen, but I thought that's what slide out meant. So a bit of a bummer that I have to pop it open and get some fresh air in. So in the summertime, it does get kind of warm in here. There is a window you can slide out in the back there to let some fresh air in, but it's definitely not enough on those summer nights. But bummer, what are you gonna do? At the end of the video, I need some help. I'm guessing most of you that are watching this video are either truck campers yourself or you're thinking of building one, but the passenger side of the camper, I've got a sort of like an office desk set up in there. I'll show you in a moment, but it's not working, and I'll show you why later on in the video. But stick around to the end. I want to show you that side of the truck camper and ask for your opinions and inputs and maybe some advice on what to do with that side of the bed, because the camper, because the way I've got it set up right now, it's not working and I need some help. So if you would be so kind to leave a comment at the end of this video and share your ideas with me, share your advice with me. But yeah, that'll be at the end of this video. So okay, thanks for watching so far. Let's continue. Okay, so I'm going to show you just the bits and pieces that I built for my truck camper. For me, it was important to be able to get it in and out of the pickup truck quickly and be able to store it in a small area. This is the bedroom side, which is going to be on the driver's side of the canopy if you're looking from behind the truck. So I've got just built using 1x1s. Please excuse my terrible construction skills. I've never really worked with wood before. This was my first major project pretty much my entire life. So I've got some learning to do, but just 1x1s. It's just a box. This goes up front, hence the name front. Then I've got one for the rear, and this will all make sense once you see it all put together. Again, it was important to be able to pull them apart and then be able to stack them one on top of another in a small garage. So Reflectix over top of the plywood. Then I just have another piece of plywood that I can put okay. So there's my there's my bed platform. So again, easy to take apart. I can stack it, small footprint, and definitely enough to hold. I'm 150 pounds. So that's easily enough to hold me. So after that, I've got a 4-inch self-inflatable air mattress. If you leave it open enough, long enough, it will self-inflate, but I do give it a hand every now and again. So the bed goes on top of there, and then you just put your pillow, if you have it, and your sleeping bag or blanket, and there's your bed. It's that simple. Inside the canopy, I will start sliding the bed platform over here on the driver's side so you can kind of see what it looks like empty, and then the pieces that get put together to make the bed platform. So I'll be, why do I keep saying bed platform. Okay, I'll be right back with the bed. So you can see I've stapled Reflectix to both sides of the middle piece of plywood and also at the head and foot of the bed. This is for the winter camping. There's always a blast of cold air coming from underneath the truck. And to sleep comfortably, it's always warm up top here, especially if you have a heater inside. I've got a buddy heater, but it's always cold below. So you want to stop the cold air from coming up into your sleeping mattress. So a Reflectix. And then in the really cold winters, when it's below freezing, then I'll put an extra blanket, then the 4-inch mattress, and then my sleeping bag. But for summertime, kind of useless. Okay, now the mattress. I've got exactly 80 inches from the head to the foot of the canopy. 79-inch mattress fits just perfect. I'm 5'8", so what's that, 68 inches? So I get a bit of room at the head and at the foot. Fits me perfect. So this is where those side open windows come in a little handy. You can actually reach into there instead of crawling in. But so I'd rather have the sliding windows rather than slide out windows. But what are you gonna do? Okay, so there is your bed platform. So just some 1x1s, shaped like a box. It allows for some storage underneath there, lots of storage under the middle section, and then quite a bit of storage on the front section underneath the head. Okay, now this is the passenger side of the camper. Again, just some boxes I made out of 1x1s. Yeah, again, I need to work on my construction skills, so forgive me. But this is where I put this. I don't even know what kind of wood this is, but it's more like a computer desk, I guess. But I'll put this on the passenger side of the canopy, and this is where I need some help because the way it's working right now, well, it's not working right now, but the way I have it set up right now, it's not working. So this is where I need the help. Let me throw it into the camper so you can see it, and then let me know how I should change it or what else I should do here. Again, it's a bummer. Slide out, not sliding, but easy to advantage. Okay, so you get the idea. You know, I kind of wanted somewhere to cook, to eat, you know, maybe to watch some videos on the laptop, but... All right, so here's what the build looks like from this side. As you can see, there's not a lot of room to get in, and sometimes I've got my tailgate closed. When I try to jump in, she's tight. So. But it's not the space that's really the problem. It's trying to sit in here. So when I first built it, I thought I could just sit on my bed while I cooked or worked on the laptop or whatever, but as you can see here, if you were watching any of my other videos, too small. I'm only 5'8". So, oops, sorry. What I've done, I bought a little stool, which does allow me to sit a little bit lower. There, see? My head, I've got just enough clearance. But now the problem is I'm sitting so low, my knees, I don't know if you can really tell by this angle, but my knees are always too high. So after sitting here for an hour or two, my legs literally go numb, my ass cheeks start to hurt, and it's just not the most comfortable to be sitting in here for hours, you know, editing a video for the vlog, or working on the laptop, for that matter, even cooking. So I need to figure out what to do with this side. I really did like the look of this with this side empty. It had lots of room, but obviously I need some other stuff in here to maybe cook, use the washroom. I don't know, but this is where I need your help. If you've got a truck camper build, or you're thinking of building one, if you've got any ideas or any advice for me, I need to figure out what to do with this side of the truck camper. But what I will show you right now is what I did to create a new office space. While having my laptop and office and even cooking things in the Canopy was very convenient, like I was saying, it wasn't very comfortable. So I've got the back seat. So check this out. I found, let me get some light in here. I found a tiny desk. Now the key with this desk is that the legs come out. It's almost like a C-shaped desk, and that allows me to get in here. There, see? Outside my long arm, but if anything, it's almost a little too high. But I can set up my laptop in here now, and let's see what that looks like. Be right back. Yeah, check this out. There, so now I've got a very comfortable back seat, plenty of headroom. Like I said, this is it's a little high, so maybe I'll get a cushion under my seat or something. So this is as low as the desk goes. But now I can work in the back of my pickup truck for hours on end and not get uncomfortable sitting in the back canopy, and that also frees up room to do something else back there. But again, I don't know what. Okay, so there is my very simple truck camper build. It needs a lot of work. It's just a frame right now. I'm going to clean it up, but it gets me out camping. I can go camping in the summer, winter time. It gets me out there. So I wanted to keep this video very direct, as short as possible, to show you guys exactly what the build was, and also to ask for your help on what to do with this side. So if you want to see what this looks like functionally, when I've got my buddy heater in here and my water tank and my bathroom, I got a little toilet, I will link those two videos that I've made in the comment section, or in the description below. There'll also be links at the end of this video to click on, so you can actually see what this looks like while camping and sleeping in it, eating in it, and all the mistakes and things that I've learned while building this. So again, thanks for the eyeballs, appreciate the views. If you like this kind of stuff, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. It really helps the algorithm. YouTube seems to like that kind of stuff, and I'm finally getting some momentum with this channel after I think I've got over 200 videos. It seems like you guys really like these truck camper videos, so hit the like button to let me know you want me to make more of these types of videos. Leave a comment on what you think I should do with the office side of it, or maybe an improvement to the bedside. I don't know, but I'm asking everyone for some help to finish this up and make it more comfortable when I go camping. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.